Wifey is a pro at Wolf Run Gold. Okay. Some actual howlers, come on. Queens all the way across, maybe? Alright. Not bad. Respin awarded, wow, okay. More wilds. Oh, more wilds. Wilds on aisle 4. Nope. Oh, almost all the way through on the... That's still pretty good though, nice. Extra respin awarded? This is crazy. Okay, on number 4, please. Still, you keep getting queens all the way across. Queens for the queen, I guess. Nice job. This is a nice Wolfie. Not like the Huff and Puff Wolfie. Nice work.